Oh yeah, back up in this workshop, baby. Okay, everybody, we got amazing projects today. You gotta come with me. We're gonna do abstract sculptures. We're gonna do reverse totems. We got wall hanging plant stuff. It's gonna get crazy. There's gonna be grinding, there's gonna be sparks thrown. Come with me. I'll see you on the other side.
I would like to ask you guys to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy our videos, as your support is allowing us to continue posting videos.
We're back in the workshop. Okay, come with me. This is awesome. Right here we got Ayla. She's making this beautiful planter wall hanging, right? So she's gonna have a wall hanging planter, and it's gonna go against a far wall. Then what she's gonna do is she's gonna have some planter wheels that come off the front of it. Check these things out. So these things are gonna sit on the front, and then the planter is gonna come up, and then she's gonna have all these beautiful plants. It's gonna be amazing. Now she's gonna weld. Oh yeah. Ayla, Ayla, Ayla. Good, I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing. See, yeah, no, you're taking some off, but you're not taking too much strength off. Don't take too much off in there. Just take a little bit. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so where's our screw? So now we gotta go like this and flip it this way so we can go in from the back of them all. And then what you're gonna do, Ayla, is slowly go around and just go, okay, I love it, I can't see it, I love it, I can't see it. Just make sure that every single one has, you know, a hole in it. A clear hole. I know, aren't those cool? Super cool, man. Okay, so here we go. Yay! Boom, baby. Okay, now we can flip it. Yeah. It's so easy. It's so easy to warp and bend the metal here, because what we're doing is we're doing so much heat transfer getting these two pieces together at these specific points that the metal has a tendency to go wah and wank out. So what we do is we dance back and forth between the two heat sources to kind of make sure that we're not messing up the metal as we're putting it together. Now what you're gonna do, see, now look, this is a little bit wanky, but we're okay. I'm scared, but I'm gonna be okay. I want you to put a ton of weld and a ton of weld, okay? I'm gonna do two more little spots, then you do it. Okay, go. So what we're doing now is we're leveling Ayla's planters. We've got this beautiful piece of laser cut steel. And what we've done is we've actually found this at a junkyard where they were just gonna recycle it. This is all this negative space I've been talking to you guys about. So we figured, hey, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this thing on a wall and then put planters off it. So now what we're trying to do is generally level the planter holders so that when she puts the plants on, they don't just slide right off. Then we're gonna one at a time weld them. Now what you can also see, I'm gonna show you this, come in right here, come on, come on. What you can also see is we did what's called standoff. We're gonna put anchors in the wall, we're gonna go right into the anchors, and it's gonna hold it to the wall. We might even do some washers, kind of like a cute little button effect. All right, while Ayla's doing that, come outside with me, come here. So what we got here is we got John. John's kicking ass on a Calder style bird piece. It's an abstract piece based on Alexander Calder's famous abstract bird. We're gonna have 3 legs. It's beautiful. It's like a beak wing that's gonna go through the body of the bird. Awesome shit. He's actually grinding on it right now. So, we've already formed our whole body, right? This body is gonna be staring straight at us. The wing is gonna actually come through it, and then there's gonna be some beautiful legs that shoot down. It's gonna be awesome. You want wall dancers? You got wall dancers. Come here, let me show you something. They've got paper over them, but what you can see kind of peeking out of the paper is these beautiful, it's about a 22, 24 gauge steel. We've actually cut out the entire shape of these beautiful dancers. They're gonna be grabbing each other and holding each other on a wall, and they're gonna look like they're constantly moving. Can't wait. What he's doing right now is he's actually forming the piece that's actually gonna connect the two of them. So do you want me to just tag it first or just do it up? Okay. Now what I want to do, still looking beautiful, fantastic. So now what we got to do is we're putting the duck up. Now where's my next piece? Yeah. Oh, that's it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Hold on. I just want to secure it a little. Okay, that's good, and that's pretty even with the other guy too. Well, that's good.
Oh, you put the bird face on?
Well, yeah, we're done. We're rocking it. And then now we just got to do the legs. He's thinking he may want to get some of this out of here, but I don't know, man. I like it. I like it. Yeah, no, I think it looks. I like it just like it. Yeah, I feel like it's got a real nice shape to it. Here, hold on. Let me put it away from you. Yeah. No, that's cool, man. And I like it leaning back a little bit too. Very cool.
When you put the legs on it, you want to have this guy
Okay. Okay. So 2 down here and 1 back here. Okay, cool. All right, we'll make those legs, brother. Let's go. Okay. Let me see. Oh, yes, very nice.
I did 3 on each side, as your father said.
Uh-huh.
And now the question is, do I need to do a continuous weld?
No. Here's
hold the entire weight.
Yes, it will. Let me see. Let me see here.
Yeah, give us some over here.
Yeah, so we're putting this beautiful.
I can do it. Look how nicely I welded.
You're doing good. Okay, so dots,
me.
yes,
Like a
dots.
bead weld.
Like kind of like a bead, yeah. She's beading. She knows the terms. What is she, like a returner or something? Yeah! Look at this, Dad. It looks awesome. Look at that thing. Look, watch.
There you go.
Boom. And it's gonna be black, and it's gonna be black and red. I mean, it's so.
You gotta see the picture to really appreciate what it's gonna look like.
I mean, John, it is super cool, man. It's pretty good. I like it, I like it, I like it. Hey, we kicked ass today. We rocked it. 4 projects. We had birds, we had totems, we had abstract dancers, we had everything. We had wall hangs of plants. It's always something different here in the Metal Art Workshop.
Yes,
Papa
it
Lane,
is.
now we're tired, we're dirty, we got to clean up. Get out of here, you guys. We'll see you next time.